So let's go ahead. And the next topic, one of the three topics out of three topics this training is based. One is AdWords. So we will start with AdWords. Today we will be most probably able to complete the theoretical part, and tomorrow onwards we will be starting the practical part of it. So this is a guide which I have created. I will share all the slides with everyone. Okay, and it is with the team. You can ask to your counselors; they will share it with. Okay, so don't worry and don't ask me where are the slides, how we will get it. Reach out to your counselors; they will give it to you. Now, in Google AdWords, primarily we will learn about the basics of Google AdWords, initially terminologies, algorithms, campaign account structures, settings and all. After that, we will move into the execution part of it, where we will create a Google AdWords account. And then after that, we will learn how to do keyword research, how to create a campaign, how to create ads, how to create ad extensions. And then after that, how to optimize our campaign, how to monitor our campaign, and ultimately we will learn how to scale up the campaign also. So this will be the structure of Google AdWords for search campaigns. And then when it comes to display campaign, we will learn about how to create display campaigns, how to do use the reach planner, and other stuff. Okay, so then after that, the other type of campaigns are not covered in the course. That is, video campaign works exactly similar, just the ad type gets changed, nothing else. Okay, if you want, I can cover it in quickly in 5-10 minutes, no issues. Okay, so that's it. That is what we are going to cover in Google AdWords. Now, Google AdWords overview. As you know, on a Google result page, you will see both paid results, that is search engine marketing results, and these are inorganic traffic. This is also known as inorganic traffic, as I've told you to some people yesterday and some people day before yesterday. And second type of result is the organic result, are because of search engine optimization, around 62%. Aditya, you thought SEO will be covered? No, SEO is after this. Okay, because I always cover those topics which can give you instant results first. I will check and correct it out if the communication says that from our end, from Henry Harvin. So we will work on that. Thank you for pointing it out. We will work on that. Yes, we will cover SEO after it. Next after that is search engine ads, how search engine ads look like. It's difficult to show you ads these days because due to COVID-19, most of the ads spend on Google has reduced to 80%. And you can imagine, like with the accounts which has a spend of 3 to 4 lakh rupees, are also getting Google AdWords specialists and Google AdWords team helping, because they have so many specialists which are because big majority of the big campaigns are being shot down by all the brands. Big brands have closed all their campaigns. Small brands already have very limited money, so they have cut it down as well. So very few brands are running. So I can't show you a lot of ads except few of them which I've shown you today and day before yesterday. So in these ads, there are two type of ads on search engine. One is where you can see a text format ad. Another is a text along with the image and price. These are shopping ads or e-commerce ads. Okay, this you can create for e-commerce websites only. Okay, you can't create it for a normal product site. So these are the two different type of ads. Apart from that, display ads, which you remember it, Mr. Modi, you have seen yesterday or day before yesterday. in that ad where there is a banner placed by BJP party. So that is displayed also that, so you will learn both type of them. Okay. So I'm specifically talking about first the search campaign and then display campaign. When it comes, we will discuss that. So now onwards, all the topics, all the things that we are going to discuss is related to search campaign. So the first thing, how many ads do you see? Although I have told you the answer, uh, on Google generally we can see 5 ads. This is a keyword which will have lot of ads. Okay, so you can see one ad over here, one, two, three, four on top, and if you go down, you see 3 ads. Okay, so you can have maximum 7 ads on a search engine result page for maximum on top. It could be zero, it could be one, two, three, four, up to, and similarly for the bottom ad, which can be zero and maximum up to 6 on all the pages of Google search engine. It can't go beyond. Okay. Apart from that, the image ads which I've shown you over here are known as shopping ads or e-commerce ads. These can be up to 12 to 15. These keep on changing, so really difficult to trace it out. But in recent updates, you can see 12 ads at a time, and it becomes scrollable as well, like carousel ads okay, and in that you can browse carousel it, keep seeing more and more. So that is becoming endless. Okay. Uh, I hope till this point everything is clear what I stated. In case you have any doubt, you can uh, uh, please interrupt me in between and ask your questions. Okay. In case if you get stuck somewhere, and if I'm moving and moving and moving from one slide to another. Is that clear to everyone? Just press one into the chat box quickly. Okay, perfect. So the next is PPC. Why we called this advertisement format? PPC is because of one reason, that it works on pay per click model. Like you are not paying for showing your ad, you are paying to Google only when your ad is clicked. Okay, that means if you are getting a user, a really potential customer, then only you are paying to Google. That is why it is the most effective form of advertising across the globe, because it is based on whether you get the potential customer or not. Okay, it's like paying to get a person enter into your store. Whether he buys it or not, it's a separate thing. But you get a potential customers, like somebody kidnap somebody and bring that person to your store who's looking for that kind of product. Okay, so that's why it is the most effective form and it is the best model for an advertisement for of any business. That is PPC. You're paying per click, and for that click, you are getting a very genuine potential traffic. Is that clear to everyone?